Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to see you all. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are always focused on the next big thing by using our pain from our past and we're turning it into our beauty. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say you are in great hands. Not only am I going to get you right physically, but I'm going to get you right mentally. On this channel, we don't use any music. We don't use any sounds. All we use is the voice. We allow the voice to heal us because that is my superpower. God blessed me with the voice, so I will use my voice to inspire you and encourage you not to give up on yourself. Even those times when you feel discouraged, I'm telling you, it will get better. Allow things to transpire, allow things to unravel. Stop thinking that you have control over your life because you don't. You have control over the decisions you make in your life, yes. But you don't have control over the fate and where things are going in your life, how things may come about. Things that you want in your life are coming and they're on the way to you, but you have to release yourself from the expectation of how it's supposed to arrive. The reason why you can't see your blessing sometimes is because you're anticipating for your blessing to come in a certain type of way. Sometimes you just got to trust that it's on the way, and you just got to trust that it's on the way to you regardless on how it's coming. It's going to come in due time. It doesn't matter how long it takes. You just have to be okay with not knowing the outcome sometimes. And that's the hardest part about being a human in this world. It's just like you just want to know when. When would I finally win? When would I finally be rewarded? When will I see the fruits of my labor? But let me tell you something from experience. When I began my weight loss journey, I literally did not believe in myself. I didn't know how far I was going to go. I allowed people to enter my mind that told me that they thought I was going to quit. They thought I was going to fail. I believed those people for moments of time in my life. But it took for me to look myself in the mirror and tell myself what I was capable of. It took for me to tune out the world because the world is so loud. But what I found was peace and quiet within. I found quiet. I found solitude. Solitude is the thing that healed me. Being alone isn't bad. It's not something to be ashamed of. If you've been single your whole life, hello. You meet someone right now who's been single herself too her whole life. And there's nothing wrong with that. Because you had to discover who you are before you can give your love away to anyone else. You have to feel what your love feels like. You have to be the light that you want to see in the world. You got to be the attraction that you want to feel in your life. If you want to fulfill yourself in any way in your life, start with yourself. Start with taking time to be with yourself and be alone with yourself and your thoughts. Allow yourself to forgive yourself for the things in your life that don't make sense, that didn't make sense. Allow yourself to forgive yourself for the mistakes that you made in your past. Because your past does not define you. The only thing that defines you is the thing that you allow yourself to define you in this very moment. Being in the present feels so good once you allow it to be, once you allow yourself to flow, once you stop trying to control everything, once you just surrender to the spirit and just understand that you are in good hands. Trust in God because God has never let you down. If you look at all the times when you thought you wasn't going to get through it and you got through it, and you think about it and you're like, how did I get through that? It was nothing but God. Give God credit. Learn how to show gratitude. That will make you feel better. Anytime that you feel like you're defeated or you're not motivated, start to show gratitude. What are you grateful for? I'll start with the fact that I'm even using my voice right now. The fact that I can even speak. The fact that I can even use clear sentences. The fact that I can communicate with others mentally, physically, and emotionally. I thank God for allowing me to be able to use my eyes and use my tongue for taste buds and being able to taste my food and being able to see and clearly hear and be able to walk and be able to talk on my own. That is such an underrated blessing right there. So anytime that you feel discouraged, anytime you don't feel motivated, remember those basic vital things that you take for granted because someone around you does not have that same access and ability to do those things that you may be able to do that you're taking for granted every single day. So the minute you say, well, God ain't done nothing for me, just take a look around. You got internet. If you're watching this video, you have data. You have internet, you have data, you have a roof over your head, you got clothes on your back, and you got food in your stomach. If that isn't a blessing, I don't know what is. Gratitude is what's going to make you feel alive again. Once you feel the energy of gratitude and feel the energy of just appreciating where you are right now in this very moment, you can begin to attract the blessings into your life. Sometimes the reason why you're not attracting the blessings is just because you're not appreciating the blessings that you have currently right now. Appreciate the things and the people who are in your life that motivate you to become the best version of yourself. Even the situations in your life right now that are motivating you to become the best version of yourself that you may not understand. Sometimes it's not meant for us to understand until after we come out of the situation. Allow yourself to feel so that you can heal. Stop covering up your emotions. Stop telling people that you're okay when you are not. Allow yourself to feel those negative emotions so that you can release them. That is the only way that you heal yourself. That is the only way that you will become one with yourself. Is by healing and allowing those negative thoughts to just roam. Allow them to be. But stop judging yourself for those thoughts. Stop having conversations with negative thoughts because those thoughts are not yours. You are not your thoughts. You are a spirit. You are a being of light having a human experience. Don't allow this world to consume you. Don't allow this world to change you. Stay pure. Keep a pure heart. Keep a pure mind. Motivate yourself. Motivate others. Be a light in the room. Be the reflection of the love and light that God has given you to everyone that encounters you. Everyone should feel your love. Everyone should feel your light. Spread love into this world. There's so much hate. There's so much negative energy. Why continue that? Why add on to it? Be the light. Be the love. So that you can feel and experience the love and the light that you always wanted to. You can become the woman of your dreams now, today, right now, in this very moment. It all starts with you. You have to commit to yourself every single day, even those days that are the hardest for you and you don't want to get out of bed, and you don't want to do it, and you don't feel like doing it. Those are the days that pay off the most because it shows your discipline, it shows your dedication to yourself. This journey in life is all about self. You come into this world by yourself, you leave by yourself. Trust yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. Because if you don't trust, love, and believe in yourself, how can you trust, love, and believe in someone else? Or how can you expect someone else to trust, love, and believe in you? Choose yourself every single time, even if it makes people uncomfortable. Learn how to choose yourself without being selfish, but making sure that you're doing what's best for your happiness, making sure that you're doing best for your health, making sure that you're making decisions that are going to impact your future in a great positive way. Because the only thing that we have is now. So now is the time for you to get right. Now is the time for you to focus. Don't wait till next year. Don't wait till January. Start now. You can do it. The first step is committing and believing in yourself.